And today, Lizzie and I have a jigsaw puzzle. And it's a jigsaw puzzle for kids 4 and older. And it is a cartoon solar system. It's got all the planets, the sun, the moon, all the cool stuff. And it's really big pieces, and it's a really big puzzle. That's why we're in such a big area, right, Lizzie?
Yes.
Let's see how big is this puzzle. It says 580 by 580 millimeters, and it's a 70-piece puzzle. You ready to put it together? All right, so me and my beautiful daughter, we're gonna put this together for you, and we're gonna show you how it goes together and what it looks like completed and how much fun it is. Are you ready?
Yes.
Do you love puzzles?
Yes.
Lizzie is our puzzle master. It's a super cute box. It's the large jumbo pieces. And we'll just rip this open. All right, are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's build it.
Oh, wait.
I do. And we did it! Daddy and Lizzie, teamwork makes dream work. We knocked this puzzle out in no time. How cool is this little puzzle? Let me give you a closer look. And here it is that we put together so diligently. You have astronauts and rockets and Uranus and Moon and Earth and Saturn and Venus and Jupiter, Mercury, Neptune, and the Sun and Mars, all the planets.
Fun fact, do you know that Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun?
That's right, it sure is. They even have satellites and aliens and UFOs, and it's just a really fun little educational puzzle for your little ones and a good fun time activity for you and your children to do together. Also in the box, you're going to get a full-size poster of the actual puzzle itself. So you could actually build the puzzle on top of this and match the pieces to this as you put it together. Or you can use this as a wall poster on your wall. And you can use it also, of course, as a guide to build this. So how cool is that?
Pretty cool.
We hope this video helps. And thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.